Hey guys, Patrick here. Today I want to show you this air duster that was sent to me by the brand. This is the F3 electric air duster from GOOLOO. So, first thing, really nice packaging. Nothing crazy, but it is nice. Like the picture on here. Here's some of the info on the side. Super wind speed, super rotation speed, brushless motor, overheating protection, compact and portable, and cleaning dust. So let's open it up, check it out. This does say that it has an 18.5 watt battery, and it is USB-C, so that's cool. Also, 150,000 RPMs. All right, let's open it up, check it out. All right, so we are going to have our user manual. That is nice. We'll keep that and reference it for later. And here's the actual unit. It looks nice. It's got a nice feel to it. Not too heavy, not too light. We're going to have our USB-C charging port right here. And it looks like we're going to have our power button here. And then actually, once it's on, probably press here to turn the fan on. And then this, I think we're going to be able to just twist and remove. Yep, so twist that off. You can use it just like that, or with the different head options. So we've got this one that it came on. And then we're going to have a couple other ones we'll take a look at as well. We've got a longer funnel type, kind of a medium one. There's the longer one. There's the medium one. This is the one that it came with it on. Well, that's cool. Like a, I don't know what you call it, kind of a wider funnel shape. And we have a USB to USB-C charging cable. So let's put one of these on and check it out. I'm going to go with this guy here. So you'll just get that on, twist it, and you'll feel it just kind of lock. And then we're going to hold this button down. And you see that that lights up. So I believe that's going to be high, medium, and then low. So there's medium and low. So we got it on low. Press this button to start it. It's a nice low speed. So let's go to medium. Oh, that is a lot more powerful. You can see it moving the skin on my hand. Oh, there's a light in there too. Oh, you can see it's moving the camera. Ha! That's cool. All right, let me turn that off. Hopefully you guys can hear me with that wind blowing. There's lights in there, and this was blowing the phone, moving it back and forth too. So let's put it on high and see how that looks. And I've got some paper here. I'm just gonna, or paper, this is plastic. Plastic here. I'm gonna see what this looks like on my hand, and then we'll see if this can blow that away. So this is high. Okay, so with high, I forgot, but you're gonna have to hold it. So low and medium, you can just press the button and it'll go. With high, you're gonna have to hold the button. Oh wow. Ha! You see it blew that away before I even pointed it at it. Wow, that is high is very, very good. Ha! That's nice. I will say too, I've got a lot of air dusters, and this may or may not mean anything if you haven't used a bunch, but this feels really good in the hand. Like the roundness, the ergonomics on this feel really good. So kudos to them on that. I have a lot of other ones where they're a lot more like rectangular. That's not bad per se, but this just feels a lot more comfortable in the hand. All right, so let's give this a little more test. You can see there's some junk down there on the floor. There's some stuff over there. So let's just see what we can blow with that same funnel on there. Ha! Pretty good. Let's see if we got any. Yep, we got some dust over here. Let's try that out. You see how that dust? It does a pretty darn good job. One of the things I do like about the air duster with the different tips that it has is, so if you wanted to, you could like dust smaller, more delicate things. So like your keyboard, for instance. I'll just kind of show you. I don't think mine's very dirty because I actually cleaned it before the video, but just to kind of show you how it would work. So you could have it on low, switch it to medium, or you can put it on high. So there's high for you. There you go, blowing an entire bottle of allergy medicine. Overall, this is really cool. I like it a lot. I like the little logo on there. And I like the 3 different speeds and all of the different attachments it has. Seems to blow pretty well. If you're looking for a good air duster, I would say that this is one to definitely consider. And for the last fun test, I've got a bunch of cardboard dust out here in my warehouse. So let's just see how it does with that. Nice. Oh yeah. So that's working well. Now I will mention with most of these, including this one, when you're on high, it will stay really high for a little bit, but then you'll hear and feel it starting to go down. But usually on low and medium, it'll stay on there for quite a while. There's medium. Even on medium, it's blowing pins over there. Very cool. I would say this is a pretty cool air duster. If you're looking for one, it works well. I love that it's USB-C rechargeable and all the different tips it has. So I would definitely recommend checking this out. This is a cool one.